Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Stock Surfers. And this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. See, before we get into that analysis, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written. So let's move on to SGX Nifty first, and then I will show you the Nifty. So as I said, that I expected yesterday, it's a nearly that 16,880 it may reach, and then I am getting the I'm expected that this kind of rejection. One second, I will change my properties, and then this is the red. Yeah, so from this zone I expected that 16,880 zone. I need like this kind of three-way structure. For this is if it is this an impulsive wave, if it is a correction from here as an irregular flat formation as a running flat, and then I expected the one more high, but it just seems so aggressive. And as I said, I informed every time, each and every time, there is a no sell signal so far. It is in a buy and it is a very bullish. Here I got on exactly the sell signal here, and it's fell around 500 points. Later onwards, it's not looking like an impulsive wave, and yesterday also I informed that then later onwards it will become a impulsive wave. So far it's doing like that only. Now it looks like from here, I will explain you detailing if this whole thing becomes a wave 1 from here, right? Because it seems like one more five-way structure it's already did. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the fifth way of the third way is got extended. Later onwards is the 1, this is the 2, and the whole thing is a 3, 4 and 5. So one possibility is if this is an impulsive wave of wave 1, this is the wave 2, and wave 3 is still ahead. So that means this become intermediate wave 1, and then this is the 2 and the 3 yet to complete. Later onwards it's a 4. I will show you. Yeah, and it won't happen here. Yeah. From here it will complete as a 5-way structure in the third. So 1, 2, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will become the third. So later onwards again the 4, and again one more 5. So this is the whole structure what I'm expecting. This is the first possibility. So later on 1, 2, 3. So in the third wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each wave got 5-way structure, but it is in that kind of wedge formation I'm expecting. Later onwards it will become a third way is completed here, and 3-way structure for the fourth, and one more 5-way structure to complete the fifth way is nearly 18,000 zone. So that is the one possibility. So what is the next possibility? And this is the one we spoken about and we discussed about yesterday. This is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the intermediate wave 1. One second. Yeah, here this is the completion of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the extended. So this is a 1, 2, and this is a 1, 2. So the third wave it's got extended, means again the same rules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it keep extended. Otherwise, if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, this is the wave 3, this is the wave 4, and wave 5 is also going to complete. So later onwards what it will do, here is the third way end. So here, one second, we will remove this count. So this is the blue 4, and one more 5 means this is the Roman letter 4, sorry 3. This is a 1, this is a 2. So this is the end of the third. Here it's got extended in the 5-way structure 1, 2. So 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the third wave. This is the end of the third wave, and again one more complex corrections maybe. Later on it's the 5 wave. So if this is the end of the third wave, we may get a one more deeper corrections for the fourth wave. Again, it will come like this, and one more high is possible. So, and we already informed that weekly analysis also. If this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, at least we may get this length, sorry, this wavelength at least 786 in the rejections of the 4. It's a 17,500, and if it is the same equal length, it will be around 18,500. That is why I draw a box here. So within this zone, I am expecting a rejection. So still there is a target for nearly 18,000 to 18,400, or at least as of now it's a 500 points from here, 17,500. So later onwards it can extend it like this, what I discussed about now. And one more thing I need to show you here, it's a little bit the fractals, what we called it as a fractals in Elliott waves. The same pattern will repeat. And that fifth wave also, it's for me, and I have already analyzed a lot of times, and then I proceed here. See, this is the wave pattern, and this is called as a bar pattern. From here to here, that same kind of structure it's happening here. If see here, I will explain detailing. See, this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, right? And later onwards, this is the same kind of formation here, and this it took nearly here, this zone. So it is also the same consolidation period, and then it should. So like that, now it is going here. Later onwards, it fell aggressively. So like that, it fell aggressively here also. So now we are doing this zone. So what I'm expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is the same thing here. And after that, the fourth, what I drawn here. And after that also, it's a completion of this 5-way structure nearly to the 18,500. So same, this is a miniature, and it is the fractals here, what I'm expecting. So if we keep this here, it shows like, see, so nearly the 18,000, what I expected, 18,000 zone. And previous in the weekly analysis for the Nifty detailed analysis, it may get invalid now. So I will create a new video, or this is the video for that. That is enough for me, I think so. So I'm expecting this kind of 5-way structure. So then later onwards, how I expecting, this is the wavelength 1, and this is the final 5th way, right? So this is, it's a ABC called the CD pattern, and later onwards that same thing here. If we draw it for expecting nearly the 78.6, so this is a 17,500, and this is the one length is 18,500. So within this I am expecting. So today it may be a little bit consolidations. A second, yeah, I will get the auto. Yeah, now sorry, yeah, now what I'm expecting here is a one more high. So 17,000 it may reach, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that the consolidation, and again it may rise to around 17,100. So that is a completion of that 5-way structure. I'm expecting nearly 17,200 maybe. So it's all depends upon, you can just have a screenshot, and then you can look it for the references also. So 2 possibilities I explained. So I hope you enjoyed. And this is the Nifty, same, there is no change here, and I draw a new channel now. And this is also one new channel I have drawn. You just took it for the references here. See, this from the starting of the corona drop, and this is getting rejected here, and it bounced. After that, it's a long consolidation, and again it bounced. After this, these are all that it is not coming below this channel also, as well as here it's got rejected, and again it got rejected, and again this is retested, and again it got rejected. Now so far I'm looking here, it's a Next, the topper trend line is nearly the 17,200 what I am expecting now. So this is also one new channel I had drawn. Later onwards, see, this channel may change. Once that got rejected in the fourth wave, I will change the channel. So that I will explain and I will show you in the later video if it comes around, if the zone is reached. So I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you today evening 6 to within that 8 to 9 p.m. I will update for that next day. That means the tomorrow's video I will update from today evening only, not in the morning. So thanks a lot for watching and have a nice profitable day to everybody.